शुभेच्छा धाडल्या. मुख्यमंत्र्यांचे OSD श्री सीताराम नायक हांकां विनंती करता की तांणी मुख्यमंत्र्यांचो संदेश वाचून दाखोवचो.
देशाचे महान फुडारी, व्हड शिक्षक, माजी राष्ट्रपती डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन हांचो वाडदीस. हो पवित्र दीस आमी शिक्षक दिन म्हणून मनयतात. ह्या दिसाची तुमकां सगळ्यांक मना काळजा सावन परबी. संस्कारक्षम पिढी निर्माण करपाच्या वावरांत शिक्षकाची भुमिका म्हत्वाची आसता. ताका लागून शिक्षकान आपल्या पेशाकडे पळयतना केवळ नोकरी म्हणून पळयनासतना एक जबाबदारी म्हणून पळोवन ते नदरेन काम करपाची गरज आसा. भुरग्यां मदीं बरे मुल्यांची रुजवण जावची, राष्ट्रहीत आनी जनहिता संबंदी तळमळ आशिल्ली पिढी निर्माण करपाची आयज चड गरज उप्रासल्या. म्हज्या सरकारान ते नदरेन पावलां उबारतना प्राथमीक स्तरा सावन अभ्यासक्रमांत मूल्यवर्धन, योग, ट्रॅफिक अवेअरनेस अँड रोड सेफ्टी, सॅनिटेशन, मेन्स्ट्रुअल हायजीन, ओरल हायजीन, वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट ह्या सारको अभ्यासक्रम लागू केला. आयचो शिक्षक दिन मनयतना सगळ्या शिक्षकांनी एक बरी संस्कारक्षम पिढी निर्माण करपाचो निश्चय करचो अशें तुमचे कडेन मागतां.
प्रिया बंधू भगिनी, गोवा सरकारनं प्राथमिक शिक्षक या गटातून माझी या पुरस्काराची निवड केली म्हणून सरकारचं, त्याचबरोबर ADA पासून शिक्षण क्षेत्रात असलेल्या सर्व शिक्षण अधिकाऱ्यांप्रती मी कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करतो. एका बाजूनं आनंद खूप होतो मनाला. 34 वर्षाच्या साधनेची कुठेतरी सफलता दिसून येते, त्याची नोंद घेतली जाते असं वाटतं. पण त्याचबरोबर मनाच्या एका टप्प्यात कुठंतरी एक दुःखही होतं. आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री, द्रष्टे शिक्षण मंत्री या कार्यक्रमास अनुपस्थित आहेत याची प्रकर्षानं जाणीव होत आहे. काल संध्याकाळी ज्या वेळेला या सिलेक्शनबद्दल कळालं त्यावेळेला गेल्या 34 वर्षातल्या सेवा कालामधल्या अनेक चांगल्या वाईट स्मृतींना उजाळा मिळाला.
I learned eagerly to bring these values, to bring these educational ideas back to my home country. And therefore today I dedicate this award to my students. It is your love, it is your support that made me what I am today. So children, the award actually is yours. I dedicate this award to the teachers I worked with for the last 34 years at the Vihar, and to the wonderful management I have worked under, the Port Trust Education Society. They were there as a supporting pillar at every point of life. And with this, and with these ideas of being passionate and being compassionate to the beautiful gifts of God that we have in our hands, you lovely children, I am what I am today. And I would like to end with the words of Robert Frost. The woods are dark and deep. Yes, we teachers have a challenging career. We have challenging students, but we have promises to keep. Promises to the parents who have entrusted those children in our care. Promises to God Almighty who has brought us in this profession. And we have miles to go before we sleep.
An intellectual citizen who built the future of our nation lies with us. We teachers need to get ourselves a new orientation and evolve new methodologies to create relevant and effective approach to teaching and learning. We also need to continuously renew our capabilities through research, experimentation, and innovation to achieve excellence. Information and communication technology is another area where teachers have to keep pace with rapidly changing technologies. It is essential for teachers to be comfortable in using ICT. With the advancement in communication technology leading to an increased flow of information, the teacher needs to guide the student not only to benefit from the freely operation from all. I thank Director of Education and Goa Board for the time-to-time guidance and cooperation. I also thank my management, Gadna Nam Prabodhini, for their extreme support and free hand as teacher and as a headmaster in carrying various innovative activities for the development of rural students and school. My students share in educational development of our loving Goa. I am very thankful to my teachers, colleagues and students, parents, all the villagers of remote area like Betora and Savargal Dharmanoda for the support they have given to me. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.
दर वर्साक हो पुरस्कार भेटयतात. पयलीं 3 इनामां भेटयतात सगळ्यांत चड निधी एकठांय केल्ल्या तालुक्यांक. इनाम फावो जाला दिवचल तालुक्याक. मागता तालुक्यात सरासरी प्रमाण ही इनामां भेटयल्यात.
Ex-Director of the Directorate of Education, felicitant state awardees in SCRT, DIT, my colleagues, representatives of MDNCRE, Hyderabad, heads of institution, members of print and electronic media, teachers, and my dear student. On the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi upcoming 150th birth anniversary celebration, the Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Hyderabad, under the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, strive to promote resilient India through curricular interventions like curriculum design, development, and capacitating teachers for higher education programs offered by universities and autonomous institutions in India. The book titled Experiential Learning Gandhiji's Nai Talim, which is going to launch today, as well as which has been launched in the country in all 29 states yesterday.
Remember our teachers, the contributions that they have made to each and every one of us, but also as a state in a function like this, we would take this opportunity to pay homage to the memories of all the great teachers before, and also to humbly again acknowledge the services which are being continued by our teachers. It is not a very easy task to be a teacher in today's day and age. There are very many challenges that pose themselves before a teacher when he or she stands before a group of students in a classroom today. There are any number of diversions, distractions, and other more interesting things that can occupy the minds of our young friends. And it is a challenge before the teacher to grab their attention and keep them enthused and keep them inspired enough to be equally a stakeholder in the process of education. Teaching is definitely not just a relationship of giving, it is equally a relationship of giving and taking. As all the teachers here would definitely agree, the teachers learn continuously from the students. Every day is a learning experience for a teacher, and a teacher never becomes old because each year a new batch of students enter into their classrooms and I think deducts 1 year from their age. They feel younger, they feel fresher. It's always a new experience. No two classes of students is ever the same. And that is the beauty of teaching, but that is again the challenge involved in teaching. So there are very many things that we talk about when we think of innovations in education. Some of them have been touched upon by our state awardees today. But despite everything that has come in the form of technology, be it smart classrooms, be it ICT, or be it any other type of innovative information communication technology based initiative, the role of the teacher will never be diminished. And I for one would suggest here that the role of the teacher is ever increasing. When you have technology, when you have other interventions, it is not that the role of the teacher becomes any lesser. In fact, it becomes more challenging for the teacher, and the teacher has to assume an even more important role in channelizing the technology and using it in a way that contributes effectively to our children and their education. We must acknowledge the challenges of a changing world. We as the teaching community and the Directorate of Education together should strive to make our education process relevant and make it meaningful.
गोवा हम सब सचमुच में ही वी आर ब्लेस्ड आई मस्ट से कि जो गहराई शिक्षा की और शिक्षा के प्रति जो निष्ठा मैंने गोवा समाज में देखी है बहुत कम जगह देखने को मिली। मेरा 9वां साल है इस इलाके में और अंदर तक मैं जाता हूँ और बहुत ही अच्छा एक मजबूत संस्थाएं हैं जो बहुत अच्छी तरह से काम कर रही हैं। तो चैलेंज जो नेक्स्ट अब अपना है कि हम इस बेस को आगे लेके कहाँ तक पहुँच सकें और कहाँ जाने तो गोवा के हित के लिए और देश हित के लिए इसको आगे बढ़ा सकें। दो बस मैं बात आप सबको पास छोड़ता हूँ। पहला तो गणित और विज्ञान, ये भी अगर जो प्रगति अगर हमारी होगी तो फाइन आर्ट्स सबकी महत्व है, लेकिन थोड़ा कई बार चिंता का विषय होता है कि गणित और विज्ञान में बच्चों की रुचि कम तो नहीं हो रही है और शायद कठिनाई के कारण खासकर गणित में बच्चा पहले घबरा के पीछे तो नहीं हट रहा। और मैं खुद कहता हूँ मैं गणित नहीं संभाल पाया था, मैं 10वीं के बाद में गणित नहीं कर पाया था। तो मैं कहता हूँ कि ज़रूरी है कि आप सबका इसमें कि ये दिस इनपुट इज़ वेरी वेरी क्रूशल। और हमारा तो बहुत एक तरह से सिविलाइजेशनल कंट्रीब्यूशन मैथ्स का रहा है, तो हम इसमें गलती करें तो कोई सेंस बनता ही नहीं है। इसके बारे में आप ज़रूर देखें। और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की जो स्कीम्स आ रही हैं तो उसमें बेसिक पॉइंट वो आ रहा है कि अगर हम जो बच्चा जब एक बार स्कूल पहुंच रहा है तो चाहे मिड डे मील स्कीम हो, चाहे आप सबका उसमें योगदान हो, वो अगर हम ठीक बात को पकड़ लें तो अपने आप ही जो पहली तय होती है किसी भी नींव जो पड़ती है वो अपने आप पड़ती चली जाएगी। तो एक बार फिर से आज के दिन remembering all my teachers in particular, conveying my very very best wishes to all of you and the commitment of the Chief Minister himself that we are duty bound in the government to ensure the well-being and welfare of the teaching as a community, teachers as a community, and of course continuously upgrading the capabilities and capacities of the school system, other education systems in Goa, so that we are able to move forward.